Okay guys, in this video we'll be doing the cap box from HackTheBox. So you can see I have running the nmap scan and I have opened the website. So the website says failed login items and port scans. So there are some bunch of information. So let's click on this security snapshot 5-second pcap plus analysis. So for every 5 seconds it is producing a pcap file, and let's download this. CD downloads. So let's download this again. Maybe let's run the strings. So okay, there is no content. Now what we are going to do is we are going to copy this URL and let's run the go-buster scan on this. So we don't know whether it's whether it contains only one directory or we don't know at all. So let's go and run the go-buster scan on this. So we might get some so it says length 208. So 302 status code. So how to exclude the length? So I don't know how to exclude this in the go-buster. Let me say S200. It still returns 208 error and worst. Okay. So there should be an option for the exclusion. So exclude length. Exclude length 208. So there is 1 0 1 0. So let's go to 0 1. Number of packets 4. I think there are similar. So 0. So let's go to 0. Okay, those are good packets. There are so many packets. How did we forget to put the 0 here? So running the go-buster scan helped us. So let's lsltr and let's say cat, or let's say directory strings 0.pcap, and you can see here. So the Nathan user have the password. Let's copy this, and the ports can reveal that there is a SSH server. So SSH port is open. SSH Nathan. Let's log in and let's give it a try for this password. And we have successfully logged in. ls and get the user.txt. So the privilege escalation is very easy one. All you need to do is run the linp script. So wget linpiece.sh. So it will reveal you the path for the root user. Okay, wait, just let's run sudo l first because we have the password, right? Okay, let's run the linpiece. So it's a normal check because we have the password for the user. So this Linux privilege escalation technique is I have did from the track me Wonderland. So it's the same technique, but in that case Perl, in this case Python. So sudo version. So we have no sudo l options, so that we cannot use that. And it's running on VMware, and I have tried to mount this. It did not work. Only root user can mount this. So there are some sockets running by the root user, but it's related to snap packages, and the DNS is running. It's like a local DNS. And now there you go. So Python can be, it has this setuid bit on. So whenever this is on, this Python process can run the script as a root user. So let's copy this. Let's go to GTFO bins. So you can directly write import os os.system shell. So in the same case, it can be used for the Perl also. So here if its capability is set, so it can be run as a root user. So let's first let's paste this, and then this small os.system on. Now run this, we get the root shell. We have my root. So you need to be very patient running in the linpiece scan. So though it may take so much time, so it's worth waiting.